Mr. Jeff Smith will have given away $2,000 cash, okay? On top of that, this beautiful Chevrolet Cruze is also to be given away this week. We sent out the winning number for the Chevrolet Cruze to somebody in the Corinth area. Somebody that received an invitation has a winning number for a brand new car. Now we send out about 30,000 invitations. There's a lot of people that don't bring it down here, right? They throw it in the garbage, they think I've never won anything. Friends, this is a real deal, okay? The winning number is not somewhere across the country in Florida or Washington or California. The winning number's right here in Mississippi. It could be one of your neighbors, okay? Last April at this very store, the person with the winning number for an ATV came through the door. You'll see a picture of Mrs. Janie Richardson right here. And she left with a brand new ATV. We're also giving away an ATV this week. In fact, we're giving away $1,000 cash, a 2011 ATV, a 2012 brand new Chevrolet Cruze, and 3 gold presidential dollars. So everybody that received one of these wins something, okay? So please let your friends and family members know that it's worth it to make the drive down here to Crossroads and check their numbers to see if they've won. Everybody is a winner, all right? Also included in this is a full oil change for $39.95. Okay, please take advantage of that coupon. That's good through the end of the year. If you need your tires rotated or an oil change done, or you need somebody to look at your car before it gets a little bit cold, give us an opportunity to do that. We got cheaper prices in Walmart, friends, and we'll take care of you, okay? So please, let us earn your business. Give us an opportunity to talk to you and get to know you and service you and take care of you. If this week is not your week to buy a car, maybe times are tough, that's okay, friends. Maybe you're not ready to buy your next car for another year or 2 or 3, maybe 5 more years. We're going to be here. Come down and see us, okay? Give us an opportunity to see if we can find exactly what you're looking for. Before you drive over the state line, before you drive down to the big city, friends, we can get you the same prices, the same vehicles right here at Crossroads. So thank you for giving us that opportunity to earn your business. We appreciate you. We appreciate you so much. You're the reason that we can put on events like this, give this money away, because you keep buying cars, you keep participating, and it lets us know that you care about us. So we're going to return the favor and give you some money, okay? So let's do this cash drawing, all right? All right. How this drawing works is we draw a name out of this box, and that person is not here. I'm going to say their name 2 times. And then we're all going to say together, going once, going twice, gone. That's right. And then we're going to keep drawing until the winner's drawn. Look at all these helpers I have. I think you were here first. Would you like to help me, young lady? Okay, stick your hand in the blue box. You pick a winner out for me. Here we go. We got a winner. We've got a winner. Oh, goodness, I can't even read this.
Let me see. That might be my name.
That might be my name.
Oh, that's me.
I guess that's Raymer.
I guess it's Raymer.
Tommy.
No, that ain't me.
Something.
Tommy. Do I have anybody here from Raymer tonight? Anybody make the drive from Raymer? I've got a Tommy, K-E-L-T-Z, it looks like. Oh! Of Raymer. He works here. All right. Going once. Going twice. Gone. Who's next to help me? All right, Sarah, you stick your hand in there. Here we go. Winner, winner from Corinth, Mississippi. Who's here from Corinth? Show me those Corinth hands. I've got a Tracy Sabree. Tracy Sabree of Corinth. Going once, going twice, gone. Who's next? All right. And these names that we put in the box, that we drew tonight, they're not here. They'll go back in the box so they can win tomorrow night, okay? I've got a winner from Iuka. Who is here from Iuka? Okay, I've got a few. Bradley Pruitt. Bradley Pruitt. Going once, going twice, Glidewell. Hold on. Shh. Gary Glidewell. Going once. Going twice. Gone. Who's next? Who hasn't drawn yet? I don't think she's drawn yet.
We need a winner. Take it in. Here we go.
Here we go. Corinth, Mississippi. Douglas Watson.
Come on. Hey,